Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to beesontv. We talk about faith, lifestyle, relationship, and we vlog. Welcome back to my channel, and this is year 2022. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys! And that's why I want to do this video as my first video for the year. Stay tuned as we continue this video. Yeah, the reason why I want to do this video is because in this new year, I know you must have written your vision, your goals for the year, and everything you've written down needs money. You need money to carry out this vision and goal. And that's why I'm doing this video today, and I'm going to be talking about 5 side hustle in year 2022 that can make you get extra incomes, passive income, or these are the things I've done in year 2021 and I was able to get extra money from this business, and that's why I'm doing this video. So please stay tuned if you want to know how to get passive income and side hustles you can do in 2022, because this year all of us, all my fans, beesontv, together we are gonna make money. The first thing I want to talk about this one is drop shipping. This is one business I did in year 2021 that was highly profitable for me. And drop shipping simply means that you buying from those people who have large quality, like large, they buy in trucks, warehouse, you buy from them, then you resell. You add your own interest and you resell. And this is highly profitable. It's something you can also consider in year 2022. The next one we'll talk about is to sell a service or a product. Like, look for a particular niche and sell products as regard it. Like, if you have you sew, try to go for products of clothes, and then you start selling it. Or you sell a service, like you sell your what they call it, maybe makeup, whichever. But for my own, the service I sold in year 2021 was my cooking business. I talk to people, if you want to cook, let me know. I cook for people and I collect my money, and that's a business that is highly profitable. And I'm even looking on how to expand my scale this year on my food business. Another side also I would like you to consider is to start a YouTube channel. I know that I might have not gotten start earning from it, but I can assure you my YouTube channel was like 6 months along the line, and that's because so many things happened that did not make me concentrate. But in year 2022, I'm going to give it all what it takes. YouTube is a highly profitable business, I can assure you. Yes, the fourth side hustle I want to talk about is online business. There are so many online business now. You can even be an influencer. You can just choose to help somebody to market their product, and then from there they'll give you a percentage of anybody who order in your name. So you can do online business, digital marketing, and all of those good things. This is another side also that I've started, but officially I have not started giving people charging people enough money for this business. It is errand business. I noticed that some people, they want to get some things, but they don't know where exactly to get the original and where to get it. So errand business is just simply you helping some customer source for a particular product, or go to the market for a particular person, or shop for a particular person. Then the person gives you a charge for that service. That comes to the end of my video for today, and there are so many side hustles you can do in year 2022 to make money, because this year 2022 we need to make money. We need to be financially stable, we need to be financially balanced. Please remember to subscribe, share, like my video, and comment in the comment section below. Bye.